Are your child's grades lower than they should be? Many children have difficulty taking tests. While there are many reasons why, test scores can be improved using a few simple but effective strategies. And best of all, these strategies are easy and appropriate for children of all ages. Let's get started. Test taking strategy number 1. Have a dedicated study area. When your child is well organized, their thinking will be less cluttered. They should have a dedicated space to study for tests. The key to this space is to minimize distractions. Study time should be just that, study time. That means no cell phones, tablets, or other distractions. Interestingly, music has been shown to aid study habits. Test-taking strategy number 2. Help your child plan for what to study. Sit down with your child and discuss their upcoming test. Some kids panic over the sheer volume of material they have to study. Talk with your child. Try to ferret out key points their teacher may have stressed that will be important on the test. Some teachers go so far as to say, "This will be on the test." Test-taking strategy number 3. Pace themselves. Set up a simple study schedule for your child. Have short breaks every hour or 90 minutes. Give your child a chance to get up, stretch, take a walk, etc. Giving them scheduled brain breaks will prevent mental fatigue. If kids try to study nonstop for hours at a time, their ability to absorb and retain information decreases. Mental breaks are crucial for effective studying. Test-taking strategy number 4. Answer what they know first. During any test, it's easy for your child to get hung up on a question they don't know the answer to. When taking a test, your child should go through the test and answer all the questions they know the answer to first. That way, they guarantee themselves the maximum number of correct answers. Want to get your child's entire school fired up? Building confidence is a key skill for success of any kind. My fun and amazing school assembly, Yes I Can, encourages children to be their best selves. Visit elementaryschoolassemblies.com for more information.